Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you're thinking of a perfect gift to give your husband or even for yourself just to have at home, I love this 77-piece tool set by KESI. I like having all these tools at my disposal because I find that I use them very regularly. It also comes with this case that's a waterproof, hard protective case, which keeps it really nice and organized and compact. I love that these tools are easy to use, especially in areas where it's difficult, where it's not easy to work, and it's nice having the correct sizes for such things in my home. I know my husband enjoys using it. He is thrilled. I like that he has these bigger hands, and yet he can use these tools with ease. They fit perfectly in his hand, and it's perfect for tightening bolts, getting into those nitty-gritty areas, and doing it with ease because these were made very nicely. This tin coating material is sturdy and strong. These handheld tools are comfortable. I also like that the bits, they are perfect for anti-stripping of the material. This socket wrench here is adjustable at 180 degrees, so you can bend it up all the way back and get it into those tight spaces with ease with your sockets. I find that it's practical, especially in the home, and I enjoy using it as well. I like the quality of it. I like how it fits so nicely and organized all back in its case. And I feel like they did a great job. Even things like the magnetic bit holder make it easy when you're using it. And the fact that it has all the sizes that I possibly would need just helps me stay motivated in my home.
We love it, but that's just my point of view.